Kate Sahai, as the name of our project suggests, our team is trying to help those unseen, underappreciated, and the most underrated heroes of our society, namely the farmers. The core aim of the project lies in the benefiting of these heroes by supporting them through our software. We have made an interface such that the produce of these farms can directly be sold to the customers all around in a hassle-free manner. Also, to ensure the genuinity, we have created an administrator who would verify every product before they are put up for sale. The customers are therefore ensured of a product without any discrepancy. So, you might think, where are the farmers benefiting from? It's simple. Other online e-commerce giants involves these middlemen who act as a barrier to the profits to the farmers. By this direct correlation between the seller and consumer, ultimately it is the producers who are being benefited, eliminating everyone else. Now our teammates will explain our code to you accordingly.
So let I'll take the privilege to explain the code. So we first begin with taking the user credentials. We have categorized users into three main categories, that is admin, seller, and customer. So admin verifies all the crops that are to be added to the catalog by the seller, and the customer on the other side purchases those products. So we have created files to store these credentials of your admin, seller, and customer, namely admin user data, seller user data, and customer user data. So this is our code. We have divided it into blocks. So let us begin off with running the file. So as soon as we run the program, we get this page saying asking us to whether login or exit the program. So we'll click login. So I'll begin off with creating a seller account. So I'm choosing a account type seller. So it asks us to either sign in or sign up. If a user doesn't have an account, then he'll be asked to sign up, or if he has an account, so it asks him to sign in. So I don't have an account, so I will sign up. Let me create a username real quick, seller, and the password is seller again. So I'm successfully created a seller account. So I will log in now. So seller again. So I'm successfully logged in. It asks me to add a product. So it has asking me to add a crop type. Let me type in vegetable. Uh, let's add brinjal. Let's say I have 500 kgs of it, and it asks us to log out. Would you like to log out? So if we type 1, it will log out, or if we want to continue, let's press 0. I want to continue to add crops. So let's add a fruit now. I like mango, so I'll add mango. Let's have 200 kgs of it. And now I want to log out since I've added two of my products. And now it asks us to log in again or exit the program. I will log in as the administrator now. So I'll click 1. Now it asks to sign up or sign in. I will sign up as I have no admin account. So admin it is. Okay, admin again. I will sign in. Admin. Now, as soon as we logged in as a admin, we get these approval status things. So we get approvals from, pending approvals from the seller who is trying to add products into the catalog, main catalog. Uh, so the details of the crop is vegetable, brinjal, 500 kgs crop quantity. So if we type 1, we confirm the approval, or if we type 0, we deny the approval. So I'll click one as I see no mistake in that. No, now I'm the one. I mean, admin is the one who can. I mean, who can decide the price based on the market and transportation for the people. Uh, brinjal for per kg, I will click. I mean, I will type 20 rupees per kg. I click enter, and I have another pending approval saying the fruit mango that we have just added in the seller account, and the crop quantity is 200 kgs. I have seen no mistakes. I approved this one, and the price is let's say 50 rupees per kg. And then we have no pending approvals left. Would you like to log out? Yeah, we get this prompt again. Would you like to log out? If you want to continue with the approvals, of course we don't have any pending approvals now. I would like to log out. And now we get this prompt again, like saying log in to the account or exit from the program. I will log in now, and it asks us to choose account type. So I'll click customer now. I don't have an account, so I will create an account. Sign up, customer username, customer password for present, and I'm prompted to I'm asked to sign in now. So let's sign in. Customer is a password, and I've successfully logged in as a customer now. So I'm given some categories to choose now, so namely vegetables and fruits. So I would like to add vegetables today. Let's add vegetables. We have brinjal crop. Available quantity is 500 kgs and price is 20 rupees. And I will add it to my cart. One. So to select brinjal, let's type one, and it has us. I mean, it gives us available quantity that is 500 kgs, and now it asks us the quantity required. I require like 20 kgs now. Press enter. So it asks us to either buy or choose my account now. So I'll click buy, and have this is my cart, and the crop name is brinjal. I just press brinjal. I mean, I'm just buying brinjal. Quantity is 20 kgs and the price is 400 rupees, which means as the cost of a brinjal per kg is 20 rupees, 20 into 20, that is 400. So 400 rupees for 20 kgs of brinjal. So select one to buy. I am buying it, and now. So successfully placed your order. I mean, my order with brinjal 20 kgs. Thanks for shopping with us is the prompt. And now I have pending. I mean, my cart is 0 as I have purchased my brinjal. And I'm just getting prompt of to log out. So I'm just logging out. So this is the working of our program. So so my teammates will further explain this.
So coming to the future prospects, we have left all the options open so that if there are any other future requirements in the system by the user, we can enhance it and implement them directly into the program. Lastly, we would like to thank all the people involved in the development of this program. Also, thankful for your organization to support us whenever we require. We hope that this project will serve its purpose for which it is developed by underlying success to its progress.